Alright, you're welcome to another session of our Canva Design Masterclass. And today we're going to be looking at the Canva interface. Alright, we will be understanding what the Canva interface is all about. And at the end, we'll be able to identify major sections of Canva, what each session does, what templates and projects are used for, starting a new design, and a whole lot. So all you need to do is pay attention to the video lesson, and when you have questions you can always ask in the comment section at the end of the training. Now the first thing we're going to look at is the Canva homepage. Once you open your Canva, be it on your phone, your laptop, your desktop, wherever your tab, you will see this interface. So we call this the home page. As you can see, this is the home page. All right, the home page is having so many features. That is your starting point for your design. So the home page is having the search bar. You can search for anything. For example, let's say you want to search for birthday or birthday flyers. If you have done anything pertaining to birthday, Canva is going to bring them out. All right, Canva is going to bring them out, although these are templates. All right, so if you click on templates, you're going to see new ones. All right, where you can edit and do anything you want to do with them. So when you click on template and all of that, you are going to see so many designs. The reason you are seeing all this is because I have interacted with these ones. All right, I have interacted with these ones. I have even edited some of them. So that is one of the things you're going to see when you come to the home page. Another thing you're going to see is the template section. So in the template section, you're going to see templates you can always work on, whatever thing you want to search for. All right, you search for it here and then it is going to bring it up. Let's say we search for presentation. Maybe you want to present something in a slide format or video format. You can search it under the template section. You will see so many of them. All right, you can see them here. So that is what the template section is all about. Then you can edit them at your choice. Another thing you want to look at is creative designs. So from the home page, you can create a new design using the create icon. Once you click it, you're going to see different formats. Okay, you can see Instagram posts, you can see sheets, thumbnail, you can see YouTube shorts, mobile video, and you can see them with the dimensions. All right, you can see them with the dimensions. Even if you want to change your Facebook profile picture, you can equally do the same thing. So this is another beautiful part of Canva's homepage. All right, you're not starting from scratch. You just have to look at some of the things that are there. You can even edit them, make sure that they align with what you want to post. The next thing that is evident right here is the projects. Okay, so this is the project. Projects are works you must have done before, and of course the names are equally important. So these are some of the things I have laid my hand on before. All right, so they are project works, and the reason why you can easily identify them because of their names. Every project should bear a name. Okay, so the next thing that you can see right on the home page is the Canva editor. All right, so when you create a design, when you create a blank design, the blank design is from here, custom size. All right, so you click on it. Let's say you want a design that is 1080 by 1080 pixels, so you can put it. All right, so let's say create new design. From here we're going to see how the Canva editor's interface works. All right, now you can see. Okay, you can see it. So this is the Canva interface. All right, we call this blank space the canvas. This is where you start your new design. You can import, you can do a whole lot of things. All right, and this dotted side is actually your safe haven or your safe space. So whatever you're creating should fall in this inner square. If you should begin to move out, by the time you begin to upload across your platforms, you may have some part of them already cut off. So you need to ensure that you work within this particular space. Okay, good. Now, just like we said, this is the canvas and this is your working environment. All your design should be there. You can add text, you can do a whole lot of things here. All right. Now, the next thing we want to look at is the side panel. This is the side panel of Canva under the Canva editor. Okay, the side panel, you can add a whole lot of things here. All right, you can add a whole lot of things. You can add templates, you can add elements. All right, let's say you want to search for maybe YouTube logo or anything of that nature. So you can always search and you see varieties of them. So let's choose this one. You can see you can reduce it, you can shrink it to fit your size, you can change the color if you like, you can make it blue, you can make it black, as the case may be. All right, so since YouTube is red, let's just leave it like that. So text, you can equally add text. You can add text, either add a text box, use this one, subheading, body, any of this. Let's just add a text box. Then you can increase it to see what you are doing. Let me see YouTube. All right, so you can reduce this, drag it at the center, you can expand it as well. So you can do a whole lot. All right, this is the editor's interface. You can do a whole lot. You can even change the color of this text. It's already black, it's on black now. You can change it to any color of your choice. Red, you can change it to any color of your choice. Black, white, any color of your choice. All right, so there are a whole lot of things. You can have multiple colors for the same on the same text. Good. So under the side panel, you have so many of these. You have the brand, where you can set your brand assets. If your company is having the colors, the assets, and everything like that, you can set it up here. Then you have Canva AI, where you can also do some manual coding. Right? You can upload. Let's say you want to upload something now. Okay, you can upload, and it will be saved on the canvas. Now let me tap this. You can see I can also use this as my background. So I'll just tap here. I'll scroll down. So set image as background. You can see it has changed already. I can change this color to white so that it becomes clearer. You can see. So there are a whole lot of things you can do using Canva. All right. After the upload, you have tools, you have projects, you have apps, and everything like that. You can also change the background. If that background is not okay, you can change it to maybe this one. You can see it has changed already. This one also. Then try this, or even this. So there are many backgrounds you can choose, made available for you free, all from Canva. So the next thing we want to look at now is the toolbar. All right, the toolbar is the section where you have to change whatever that you are designing. Now if I tap this logo now, it is going to bring so many options for me. All right, maybe I should edit it, remove the background, erase, do whatever thing. All right, so you can see, so it depends on me. So this is the toolbar where you can edit anything you want to edit. So if you have the text now, the text is having more. You can change the fonts. Then you can also increase the font size as you wish. You can change the color of the font. We have said that before. You can underline if you like. You can make everything to be uppercase. You can see, right? That's the function of that. Then you can centralize. You can change the alignment and all of that. So there are so many things. Effects, you can even change effects of your choice. You can put effect of your choice. So that is basically what the toolbar is all about. Okay, then you can create additional page. Maybe you want to have two different pages of this. You can always duplicate the page. All right, good. You see, you're having two of them now. Okay, so if you want something else to be here, you want to change the background of this, you can always change it. Maybe you want this, you can always change it. All right, see, we're having two different pages now. Okay, good. Then another thing we want to talk about is redo and undo. If you're using your computer, you can always use the Control Z and Control Y. All right, if I don't want this page again, I'll just Control Z it. You see, I only have one page here. Okay, but if I want to get the page back using my computer, I'm going to use Control Y. All right, you can see it is back. Good. Now if you're not using a laptop, you're using a phone, you can use these arrows. So this is undo, all right, and this is redo. So you can always do that. So let me take it back to the single page. All right, good. Then the next thing is renaming your design. Okay, so this is already YouTube. If I like, I can also change it YouTube class. Okay, so that anytime I'm looking for it, I can easily get it. So this is the name. Changing your design's name is very, very important to help you identify it when you need it. All right, so this is one of the things you need to know about Canva interface, so that when next we will be coming back, we are going to design using this idea we have already painted. So all you need to do is what, go back, play with Canva as much as you can, play with it, understand the interface, so that when you're about to design, you will not begin to face any difficulty, of any sort, but you will be able to really understand how to navigate the interface. All right. So as usual, if you have any question, you can always do well to drop them in the comment section. And if there are people you feel also need to go through this training, all you need to do is send them the link, all right, so that they can also learn and grow. And if you haven't subscribed already, you need to subscribe so that when we post other information pertaining to Canva, you'll be the first to get the notifications. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.